What's up, guys? Jurassic Jack back on your screen. You can hear the tornado sirens behind me in Westfield.
In
Noblesville. We just got a tornado, severe thunderstorm warning. It is going off right now. And we were just trying to do our normal all-day rounds. It is a Friday, but it's not 11 o'clock. They did not go off at 11 o'clock, which is what concerns me. That's creepy.
Let me just look. Severe thunderstorm in effect for Noblesville. Rain and storm starting in how many minutes?
Right now. Tornado warning. We have a tornado warning. Warning. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go where we were gonna go and go inside the big store.
Smaldy. Not Smaldy.
No, we're gonna go over to Meijer. It's bigger in there. It's anchored better to the ground than this little store.
Yes.
And since I can't see what's coming at me.
Okay. Well,
coming from back there probably. It's really dark back there.
oh, wonderful.
Okay. That's where we're gonna go, Jack.
I might see
You
the
grab
first
the
one.
umbrellas, okay?
All right. I have one of them. Where's the other?
Did you take yours in there?
Yes, and I brought it out.
Then you have it. Okay, so then mine's in here somewhere.
Okay. This is not good, guys.
See back in
There's a tornado back in there. And it's coming.
there? We hope not.
We hope it isn't coming, but yeah. I was just running errands with my grandma. My parents are in Philadelphia having a blast at a wedding, and
We're gonna go to Meijer
we're gonna go to Meijer.
because it's a big store and it's safe. We hope.
Sirens turned off. That means two things. Number one, the tornado's gone. Number two, the tornado sucked up the sirens.
Well, I hope it
Because that actually happens a lot.
Really?
Yes. I just got a Pokemon Go notification. Not now. Please, not now.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's rotating.
What's rotating?
The storm.
Can you see it?
Yeah. I can see the storm. I can see the tornado, but I don't think that there's a tornado yet. I did know that there was a severe weather potential for Monday, but it said the storm's possible on Friday, and it said it could get severe, but like it didn't say it was very unlikely to. But like we always say, you never know what's coming at you.
Hello?
Hey, do you have a tornado warning?
Yes.
We are out.
Is that
I
like
don't.
for real?
Well, yes, because it went off on everyone in the planet's phone. I'm out though. I'm at Meijer. I don't see anything. It's not raining anywhere I can see though.
Sky's pitch
I
black.
was gonna say it's not raining here. It's a little dark, but
Yeah, and it's dark, so whatever it is, it's coming at us.
okay.
We just got groceries. I was going to Meijer to get your sushi.
Don't worry about it.
But I don't see, like I said, I don't see anything right now. But if it's a few minutes before I get back, I think we're gonna just try to hang out in Meijer because it's gigantic and safe and anchored.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Rob will keep an eye on you guys, or Brandon.
Rob's not here.
Is Brandon there?
Brandon's the only one here, and we're still running rehearsal.
Okay.
Like
well,
he's not worried about it at all, and I am because it usually doesn't go off this long.
You
okay.
should be worried.
No, Jack.
It's I mean
You're
it's not an issue right now. Okay, I gotta go.
bye.
At that.
I don't see anything.
All right, we are heading into Walmart. Not Walmart, Meijer. Sorry, Meijer employees. I called your store Walmart.
Well, I just looked at the radar, and it looks like about 5:10 it should be coming right at us. Oh, we're gonna grab what we need and get out.
So, all right, we are in Meijer. We're gonna grab the stuff, get to the dance studio. Go ahead.
Yes.
Please go.
Sushi? It'll be on.
All right, we're gonna grab the sushi and get out of here as quick as we can. Okay, update. They're not letting us check out. We have got the goods and they won't let us check out. We're just trying to get some sushi. Yeah. But it's even worse to keep them in here. I mean, this is high ceiling. High ceilings is what makes stores. I feel like the stores. I know a lot about storms. I'm practically a weather nerd. My dream is to be a storm chaser, but this is not how I was expecting to start my career. On a normal Friday, getting sushi for my aunt. We'll see you. Quick update. We're thinking about ditching the sushi because it's not supposed to come until 5:10, but they're making us wait here. They shut down all the checkouts, and just the longer they make us wait here, the closer this thing gets to coming here. Let's just try to keep up happy hopes, Jurassic Jack fans. All right, we have ditched the sushi. Let's go. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
That got meaner. Let's go.
Cannot let anybody check out.
Nope.
Alright.
This is a nightmare.
It's not a nightmare.
Store manager is kind of an idiot for that.
Well, he's trying to be on the practical side, or maybe he's following policy, but I mean, I would have let all those people with a handful of things just check out and go to get them out of the building.
Faster they get to their families.
Yep.
Make sure they're okay.
We'll have to get our sushi later.
Yeah. Congratulations, you got lightning. Siren's turned off. That was thunder.
Dangerous weather imminent.
Yeah, no dip Sherlock. We know weather service.
Did I lose my umbrella?
Where did
It
that
was in
go?
that. It was in the Walmart shopping
I
cart.
said
Did
it
you
right
not-
here. I said it right here.
But from Walmart,
Yes. When we were walking out of Walmart, I said it right here.
and I didn't take it into Aldi.
Yeah, you didn't take it into Aldi.
I didn't take it into Aldi.
No idea.
Did it fall off?
Guys, looking mean and green. I know you can only see trees, but here's in front of you.
In her life.
This is not very sunlight. I was just on a FaceTime with my parents a couple hours ago, and it looks like there was not a single cloud in the sky in Philadelphia. I'm so jealous. And also, like, they got to see so much history stuff, and I love history. It got so dark they turned on the street lights. What's that? Ooh. You got your umbrella? You take it.
No,
That was
you
not
take
supposed
it
to open.
and grab your drink.
This was not supposed to open. Okay, let's go. I'm not even grabbing the drink. Oh, sorry. Go. Ugh. Ah.
It's a little bit wet out there.
This is where we're gonna have to end this video, guys. Stay safe out there, Jurassic Jack fans. Have a good time. Jurassic Jack out.